All right, welcome to week 4, and we're going to be talking about circles this week. Again, just 2 papers, get them done, get them turned in. Then you don't have to worry about it the rest of the quarter. So circles, this is mainly a review lesson. So you should already be familiar with the area and circumference of a circle. Our next lesson is a little bit new. But area of the circle, you just want to memorize this formula. It'll show up again later on ACT tests and different things, but the area is always going to equal pi times r squared. Okay, so on this, let me just really quickly, we're going to kind of write it off to the side. A is equal to area. That's what that stands for. Pi is a number. Please note that. Your calculator knows what it is. It's 3.1419. It keeps going for forever, but pi is a number. So this is just like if it were saying 3r squared. Okay, so just note pi is a number. That's not really a thing. R, however, is going to stand for the radius. Okay, radius of a circle is the distance from the center of a circle to its outside. That's a radius. Okay, so that's the area of a circle. One other important formula you need to know is the circumference. Okay, area is how much square footage or square meters is inside the circle. The circumference is basically if you were to take a measure that could measure around things, you're going to go all the way. It's like the perimeter of a circle. That's what the circumference is. So it is 2 pi r. Okay, again, let's define some of these. So C stands for circumference. Circumference. And then 2 is a number, pi is a number, remember that. And then r again is your radius. So in order to find the area or the circumference of a circle, all you need is the radius, and you're able to do that. So let's look at some of these examples right here. They want the area of a circle. So there we're going to be using this lovely formula, pi r squared. Again, the only thing you need to know to find the area or the circumference is the radius. So we're just going to write down everything here, but we're going to plug in my r. So we just come over here and say, okay, the radius right here they've given me is 12. We could plug that straight in there. So the area here is equal to, I like to do my 12 squared first. 12 times 12 is 144 times pi. And that would be a perfectly fantastic answer. If you do not like to use pi's in your answer, which a lot of people don't, go ahead and grab a calculator. I grabbed my calculator here and typed 144 pi and hit enter. Sometimes it just tells you 144 pi, but this calculator will actually approximate it. It says it's 452.38, so we'll just round it to 4. And that's another acceptable answer. Okay, so either of these answers is fine. I think I wrote them down, both down on your homework key. All right, now again, this time we're asked to find the circumference of the circle. So this time we're asked for the C, which is 2 pi r. Again, all we need to be able to find that circumference is our radius. Now, this time, notice right here, this 58 yards is all the way across my circle. That's what we call a diameter. It's not a radius. So if we want the radius, if we just want to go from the middle to the edge, we've just got to cut that in half. Okay, so we just divide it by 2 and get a 29. And then crazy thing is here, when we go through to multiply it, I'm going to multiply 2 times 29. Well, I just divided 58 by 2 to get 29, so that means I've got 58 pi right there. And that's an answer. Or again, if you plug it into your calculator, 58 times pi is 182.2. Whoops, 182.2 right there. Either one of those answers. Okay, next video we'll do the next couple of examples.